This is a message from Bellevue West Sustainability Club. Our goal as a club is to make Bellevue West a more sustainable school. We run the school's native flower garden, take trips to youth climate summits, and most notably, run the compost bins. Putting compost bins in at West is the most impactful thing we've done for the environment so far. Because when excess food goes to landfills, it produces something called methane gas, a highly potent greenhouse gas, and composting reduces our school's emissions of it. Our composting systems reduces landfill waste by 10 tons a year, which equals 9.11 metric tons of carbon reduction. And we need your help in keeping this system running smoothly. When a bunch of bits and pieces of plastic end up in our compost bins, it ruins the entire batch. And the more pieces of plastic that end up in the bins, the more likely it is that a sustained student that's running the bin will accidentally miss pieces of plastic in the compost. So, to prevent as much plastic ending up in the compost bins as possible, it's important that students know which items go where. But we understand that some of the items aren't self-explanatory, so let's go through the items together. Things like milk cartons and cardboard, like the pizza boxes from the snack shop, and styrofoam go in the trash. Same with little items on your tray like sauce packets, syrup containers, and little wrappers. Don't forget the little corners that get torn off. When dealing with the plastic utensils set, take the napkin out of it and compost it, and the rest can be thrown in the trash. Make sure the little stirring straw ends up in the trash as well. Now for a trick question. Where would napkins from home or bathrooms go? All paper napkins go in the compost. Other trickier ones like gum and corn dog sticks go in the trash. But besides those items, all other types of food can be composted. If you aren't sure, you can always ask one of us. And if no one's there to help and you don't know, put it in the trash. We would much rather some compost end up in the trash than trash end up in the compost. Also, if any food item is completely uneaten, we would much prefer another student to have an opportunity to eat it, as opposed to ending up in one of the bins. Items like uneaten apples, bananas, oranges, unopened milk cartons, unopened snack packages, and even unopened utensils. All of these can go on the table next to the bins, and if you see anything sitting there, feel free to take it. Lastly, please note that we are always composting, even when no one is there to run the bins, or even when you see a lot of trash in the wrong bin. So we ask that you always try your best to sort your lunch into the proper bins. Thank you.